Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to unblock users on Google Drive in 2025. Whether you accidentally blocked someone or need to restore access, this step-by-step guide will make it super easy. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to unblock anyone and regain full control over your Google Drive sharing. First, open Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account where the user was blocked. Next, access your Google account settings. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. This is where all your account preferences, including blocked users, are stored. Once you're in your account settings, navigate to People and Sharing. Here, you'll see a list of people you've interacted with across Google services, including Drive. Look for the section called Blocked Users or Blocked Contacts. This section contains everyone you've blocked from sharing or interacting with your files. Now, find the user you want to unblock. Next to their name, you'll see an Unblock button. Simply click it and confirm your choice. That's it. The user is now unblocked and can access files you share with them as long as the sharing permissions allow it. If you're on mobile, the steps are very similar. Open the Google Drive app, go to your account settings, find blocked users, and tap Unblock. Google has made it consistent across devices, so it's easy no matter where you are. A quick tip. After unblocking someone, make sure to review your shared files. You might need to reshare specific folders or documents if permissions were restricted while they were blocked. And there you have it. Unblocking users on Google Drive is fast, simple, and keeps your collaboration running smoothly. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.